Good afternoon and welcome to everyone. This is the first session of training on Google platform. Today, since we are starting our training, this 4-day training will be on Google platform on various issues like classroom, Google Meet, how to take classes, how to manage classes, what are the other things like collaboration of document within department with the students, how to take attendance. So we will be learning in next 4 days. Before doing that, we will start with the messages from our Honorable Dean, Director and Coordinator, Training and Placement. So first of all, I will start with message from our Honorable Director, Professor Ramesh Chand sir.
Good morning. We are going to organize a workshop for taking the online classes, and Dr. Kamal Bansi has taken a good initiative. In that workshop, we will cover the various aspects continuously for 4 days. I will request most of the faculty member or all the faculty member, if they are getting time, please join and get benefited out of this workshop. I hope this workshop, it will be quite interesting to you, and certainly you will be benefited out of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your advice and good words. Now I will request Dean sir for his message for online training.
My dear colleagues from the Faculty of Agriculture, I am really grateful to you for the support, for the cooperation that you have rendered during past several months during this very difficult times that we all had experienced. Friends, you will all agree that the difficulties that we faced were definitely helpful in training us in taking up the new challenges. And I am really glad to express that we were able not only to conduct online classes within limitations of online connectivity. Not only that, we were also involved in giving assignments online, their evaluation, and then conduct of open book examination. That was another challenge. Now that part we have all conducted very well, but definitely you will all agree that there were problems, and to overcome those problems, university has made certain efforts, and they have come up Google Suite platform that will not only enable us to engage online classes, but also to give the students assignments, to conduct quizzes and many other activities. I am really glad to mention that Dr. Kamal Bansi of Agricultural Economics Department, who has been looking after our data cell, has put in tremendous effort to develop a 4-day training program for the teachers. Also, research scholars may also join it, or even if a non-teaching employee is interested, he can also join. But basically it is aimed for the teachers, and I am sure it will be very, very helpful to them if they are connected with it. So I recommend that all the teachers should connect with it and take full benefit of the online classes so methodically developed by Dr. Kamal Bansi and his team. Friends, I wish you all good luck, and let us hope that now onward the conduct of online classes will be more organized and will be able to serve the purpose that it is meant for. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, we will try to be more organized by using this training on online classes at Google platform. And there are many supporting applications which will definitely make us more organized in this particular training. Now I will request the coordinator of training and placement cell, Professor V.K. Chandola sir, for his message.
First of all, I would like to thank the coordinator of Data Management Cell, Dr. Kamal Vanshi ji, for giving me an opportunity to share my views regarding this online training which he is conducting for all of us. Necessity is the mother of invention. In this global pandemic, when everything is locked, we cannot move outside, and the students are not being allowed to come to the universities as there is a risk of getting infection. So under this situation, when the students have to be given degree in time, they need to be given teaching, and online teaching is the only mode through which we can impart training. Many institutions like IITs and IIMs, they have already initiated this move, and we are also not far behind. From next week, we are going to start our online teaching. But many of us, including me, we do not have much knowledge about how to handle such platforms. So, Dr. Kamal Vanshi ji, who has good knowledge about handling of such platforms, and he has been conducting online classes for the students since long, he has taken an initiative to make us aware about the online platforms so that we don't have difficulty conducting online classes. So, on behalf of Training and Placement Cell, I wish Dr. Kamal Vanshi ji and his team all the best for the success of this training program, which is of 3 days, and every day will be of 1 hour. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Indeed, we will try our best. And this Google platform is very useful in taking online classes, especially in this case of pandemic. And now moving towards our training. Today we will start with Google Classroom, which is there in our Google account. We will just open our account and we will click the 9 dots where you can see this is Google Classroom. You have to click Google Classroom.
Now we will start.
There will be a window like this.
That is
Here
on
you
Google
can see
platform.
that your account is there, bhu.ac.in. You can continue, but there is some issue that presently Google at bhu.ac.in is not supporting the student to log in because they don't have BHU account, so they are not available at this particular. But here we can follow the same process in normal Gmail account. You have to choose your role as a teacher, and you can create classroom. Therefore, what we can do is we can just create Google Classroom in our normal Gmail account, and we can use the bhu.ac.in account for Google Meet, where we can add almost 250 students at one time, so that we can easily take class by Google Meet, sending the code on Classroom. Now there are other ways to join Classroom directly by typing Google Classroom address classroom.google.com on browser, so that we can directly go to Classroom, where if you have never started any class, you can just go to plus sign on the right hand side corner of the Google Classroom, where you will see that create class link is there. You can create class by adding the class code, its detail, venue, everything. This as I said, you have to create on your normal Gmail account, because this bhuac.in account is not accepting students as they don't have BHU domain account. So this is my humble request that you start making this Google Classroom in your normal Gmail account, where you can create this classroom, invite students there, and you can send the link from your bhu.ac. account, so that you can accommodate at least 250 students in one meeting. So this is our class. You can see that the class has been created. We have class code, meet, all the details are just in front of us. This is stream, where we can communicate to our class, classwork, people means here how many teachers, how many students, each one's email address, everything will be there. Since this is a G Suite account, so Meet link will be available on the dashboard of the class, but in normal account of Gmail, it will not be available here on dashboard. So this classroom basically has got 4 sections: stream, classwork, people, and marks. Since we want to add students to the class, there are 3 ways. One is like you have to click this plus sign, where students can be invited by sending this invitation link to their mail or WhatsApp. And second is like typing their name or email, or just copying and pasting the comma separated emails of whole class. The another method is when we go outside on the dashboard, the class code is written, you just double click it on the side, it will just pop up into a bigger size, so that we can easily read that particular code and we can send to the class. Okay, so we have 3 methods: invitation link, mail, and code. Later on, when the members will join, you can disable this code, so that anybody who is having this code cannot misuse. Now I am trying to send this code on my Meet chat. We can send through any means, like we can send SMS, WhatsApp, mail, so that it should reach ultimately to our students. We can send this class code, which is right there on our dashboard. We can just send that by copying and pasting.
Now suppose we have to start communication. The class is already prepared. We have mentioned the code. Students have joined. Now we will start communicating by stream. We will use stream here for sending the message to our whole class. Like we can communicate directly to class, and we can also decide whether it should reach to all students or it can reach only to few students.
So after making the class, it is very important to take attendance. And sometimes when class is very big, then definitely it is very important that it should be done automatically, because online it is very difficult to take attendance. So for this we will start with searching Google Meet add-on on Google Chrome browser. After searching, we will get many extensions, so we can open any extension and we can search for our desired Google Meet attendance. Another way is we can search for Google Meet extension for teachers. And you will find that the first link will be Google Meet attendance. But here there are many Google Meet attendance, so we have to select only which we know that it is working. So we will select this Google Meet attendance where this Apple sign is given, and we will just add to Chrome and we will add this extension. After adding this extension, you will see that this mark will come, and what we have to do, we have to pin this mark so that it will be there always on your browser. Right now it is inactive because we have not opened Google Meet. So we will open Google Meet. We will join Google Meet by clicking this link, and we will allow our camera. Now we will join. Right now only I am there, but you can see now this attendance sign is active. It is, the Apple is now red. So now we will give permission to students, and whenever we feel that we have to take attendance, we will click on the sign where number of people it is shown. Okay, and another thing is at that time this chat window, the right side window, should be closed. Okay, so this chat window is very useful when we are communicating with the students during presentation or some technical word we want to introduce among students. So what we will do is we will close this chat box, and the point where we can see this number of people, we will click on that. Automatically it will take attendance, and we have to click the central button where the right mark in green it is given between people and chat. Yes, we will click, and automatically it will reach to the Google Sheet where automatic attendance is there. If you will start this for first time, then you have to give permission to access your Google Drive, because it will automatically save in your Google Drive. So again I am telling how to take attendance. You have to click on number of people where the number of people is shown. You have to click on that. Automatically it will take attendance, and it will be there in your Google Sheet in your drive. Okay, so I clicked, and I click the central button. This is Google Sheet where attendance is already taken automatically. Thank you all.